Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today we are planting this pink-a-blue Pulmonaria. This pink-a-blue Pulmonaria is also known as a lungwort. This is brand new in 2023. She has pink blooms that transition to blue in late spring. This Pulmonaria is very unique that it has deep green leaves with silver speckling. This plant does well in zones 3 to 9. It is and can be used as an evergreen with very mild winters. It is easy to grow and has no serious problems. It likes partial shade and will struggle in full sun. It attracts hummingbirds and resists deer and rabbits. It is considered a perennial. This pink-a-blue will brighten up a shade garden. Its buds and blooms appear at the same time, giving it an allure for a two-toned effect. Once she is done flowering, the foliage looks great in the remaining of the growing season. Today I'm using my Easy Dig Kit auger. It comes with the auger and the drill. It is from Power Planter. I like the consistency of the dirt that it creates with this, and it's easy to backfill. And I believe the plants are super happy as well. After I put the Biotone in the hole and some of the compost, I like to amend all of it, like you see me do here. Make sure you save your plant tags as well, at least one of them. To remove the plant out of the pot, you gently put your palm under the plant, like so, and then you turn the container upside down, and then when you turn the container upside down, there's holes under the container. You just kind of push the plant out, and then you want to make sure and observe all the roots, that they're healthy and that they're not too dried out before planting, and that they're not root bound. This plant is not root bound, so she is good to go. You can see a little healthy earthworm right there. Can you see that? Right there. So you got to remove some of the dirt out of the hoe before planting. So I use the same container that I just took the plant out of, and I insert the dirt into the container, and then I use this same dirt to backfill with. Plant the plant in the hole. You want to make sure that you don't put your plant too deep into the ground, especially when you have hard clay like we do here in Charlotte, North Carolina, Zone 8. We have that heavy clay. So you want to mound the plant up a little bit by leaving the plant about 1 to 1/2 inches above the ground, the soil level, and mounding the soil around the plant. This way the plant will drain well. It will not get very root rotted. For me, I seem like this really works and makes the plant a lot happier. Once the plant is planted, then you want to make sure you get all the air pockets out. So I gently use my shoe or my foot to tamp around the plant to get all the air pockets out. Still pressing around the side of the plant, bringing some more of the dirt up around the plant after tamping it down, and then we're going to bring the soil up to the plant and the mulch back around the plant. By moving your mulch away after you dig, then you have like a good clean look. I personally like mulch better than I do like a rubber mulch. I feel like it breaks down and helps the soil better and keeps it moist.